Hello everyone, this is Steve. Get out your scientific calculator because we're going to be doing some interest problems. I just want to make sure you can plug these into your calculator properly. So we look at this problem here. It says find the total amount if $8,000 is invested for 14 years at 3.2% interest compounded quarterly. So that tells us all we need to know. We know that our P is going to be 8,000. We know that our T is going to be 14. We know that our R, rewritten as a decimal, will be 0.032, and the quarterly tells us that n equals 4. Plus, since this doesn't say continuously anywhere, we know we're going to be using this formula right here to compute how much money we have. We're looking for the total amount. So let's do this. A is going to equal 8,000, 1 plus 0.032, all over 4, and up here we're going to have 4 times 14. Okay, now some calculators you can just put this all in at once, and if you want to do that, that's fine. But here is kind of the safer way to do it. You first determine that 4 times 14 is 56, so that's going to be your exponent right there. Then you work inside the parentheses doing the division first. So you do 0.032 divided by 4. And if you do that on your calculator, you should be looking at 0.008. And then you're going to add 1 to that. So we add 1, and you should have 1.008. Okay, then you take that to the 56th power. So you do 1.008 to the 56th power. And this will give you this sort of mess on your calculator. Okay, and then finally our last step is to multiply that times 8,000. And this will actually give us an exact answer for this one. This does not happen very often, but you will get an exact answer for this problem of $12,499.13. Slap a dollar sign on that, and we are done. Okay, let's do the next one. So, similar setup, except we got P equals 5,000. We've got T equals 22. We're going to have R equals 0.061. And we're going to have n equals 12. So we're going to set it up with 5,000, 1 plus 0.061 over 12, 12 times 22. Now this one's not going to be quite as pretty, so you're going to want to store numbers in your calculator as you go. You can figure out right off the bat, though, that the power that you're going to use, or the exponent you're going to use, is 264. And then, working from the inside out, 0.061 divided by 12 is approximately equal to 0.0050833. But don't write down that number. Leave that number stored in your calculator. Then you take that number and you add 1 to it. Add 1. So you have 1.0050833. Still keeping it in our calculator so we don't make a rounding error. We take that and we raise it to the 264th power. Raised to 264th power. And on your screen, you should see something that looks like this now. 3.8137028868. Final step, multiply that by 5,000, because that was our principal. Round it to 2 decimal places and slap a dollar sign on it, and you should get an approximate answer $19,068.51. If you can't get that on your calculator, talk to someone as soon as you can, like me or a friend, and we'll figure out what's going on. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.